Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome back to my practicing session. I would like to say about our daily conversations. Actually, from few days I was vocabulary what, but it is very tricky and tough because I am Bengali. For this reason, English is my second language. I have to study a lot to learn English. Correct pronunciation is so difficult. If you want to learn correct pronunciation, you need 44 phonemes, phoneme sound. That's mean IPA. If you speak, if you want to speak English with phoneme, your accent will be developed day by day. For this reason, I am trying to learn phonetics. I can say um, vowel sound, diphthong, the monophthong, and another consonant sound. Yesterday I practiced be, baba bay, baba bai, baba boy, baba bay, baba bai, baba boy, baba bay, baba bai, baba boy, baba bay, baba bai, baba boy. We hear I exercise here a I oi, a I oi, a I oi. This sound a say day, say day, I and oi, boy, toy, oi, a I oi, a I oi. So I need to exercise this way. Okay, so until I get success, I will practice. I will keep practicing this phoneme. So please keep with me. Please stay with me, and I will give some video. Inshallah, next time. Till then, Allah Hafiz.